Hey, how's everyone doing? Hope you're doing well. Just got up to my camp spot. We're up in the Willamette National Forest again. It's kind of an overcast day, about 72 degrees, and we're sitting at about 3,400 feet in elevation. So we're just down this old logging road. Kind of comes in off the main line and then shoots. Show you, it shoots down there and dead ends. There's a tree across the road. I was going to try to camp down there a little farther, but this is a nice level spot, so we're going to call this home for the night. It's actually still pretty smoky. I don't know if you guys can see that out there across the valley or the canyon. Yeah, it's pretty smoky up here, so nice and cool, the way I like it. Trying to beat the heat. So yeah, we're just gonna cook some dinner up later, hang out with the dog. He came up with me again. Yeah, well, thanks for tuning in. All right, we're just heading down this road, taking the dog for a walk, and go see what it looks like down here at the end. Show you. Come on, Mick. Let's go, boy. Yeah, it's a nice day up here, man. I love this type of weather. The sun would be nice, but I don't really do too well in the heat. Not much of hot weather, so yeah, we'll just walk down this road and take a look and do a little exploring. All right, well, we made it to the end of the road. This is where I wanted to camp, but there's a tree across the road. Just up around that corner, the road makes a 180 and then heads back up yonder. Campers actually up there on top of that ridge, but this would have been a nice spot, nice and flat. But I didn't bring the chainsaw. Can't run a power saw with the fire ban right now, so that place up there will do just fine. Yeah, it's nice out here, so we're gonna head back. Don't want to take the dog on too far of a hike. It was, I don't know, maybe not quite a quarter mile down here, but yeah, we're gonna head back and go hang out at the camper, get camp set up, and just enjoy our time up here. Yeah, we're just heading back up the road like I mentioned. Old growth forest here. Some nice timber. They're probably, I'd say 240 feet tall probably. This is just an old regen area. That was logged a long time ago, and then they came in here and re-thinned it. But yeah, those trees are probably 100 feet tall at least. And here's the tree we're coming up on that's across the road. Like I mentioned, with the burn ban, it can't be running power saws or having fires or doing any barbecuing with briquettes or anything. It has to be propane. So yeah, maybe later on this fall when the burn ban's not in effect, maybe I'll come back and cut that out and camp down at the end of this road. So yeah, we're just gonna head back to camp. Well, it's actually starting to rain a little bit. Just sprinkling. Kind of see it. You see the wet spots and all the dust on the back of the camper. Yeah, this is kind of nice. Hopefully it'll help with these forest fires. I don't imagine it's going to rain very much, but any bit of it's going to help, that's for sure. So yeah, guess going to go inside and try to stay dry, maybe watch a movie. Hopefully this rain passes before too long. guys, got everything ready to cook dinner. I'll show you what I'm cooking here. So I'm making shrimp fried rice for dinner tonight. So I've got 10 eggs, peas and carrots, some cut up green onion, some barbecue pork, some shrimp, and some rice that I cooked this morning. Now the trick with making fried rice is you want your rice to be really dry. If you put it in there really wet, it'll be mushy. Got some peanut oil and some minced garlic. So first thing I'm going to do is get the heat cranked on this wok of mine, and we'll start off with the eggs. All right, the eggs are done. I like to take and only cook one ingredient basically at a time. Keeps everything from getting soggy. A little more peanut oil. Let that heat up for a second. Throw in peas, carrots, and onions. Let that cook up for a couple minutes, and then I'll throw in some minced garlic so it don't burn. Alright, these peas and carrots are done. We'll get those taken out. Now for the shrimp, I like to turn the heat down. Let these cook up for, I don't know, 5 minutes maybe. And then we'll throw the rice in. Alright, shrimp's done. Put this out. Throw some more oil in here. Go ahead and brown this rice up for, I don't know, 5 minutes, and then we'll add some soy sauce in there. Alright, the rice is pretty much done. Now we're going to add some soy sauce. Alright, the rice is done. Go ahead and throw in the rest of these ingredients we already cooked up. And I throw in my barbecue pork. And just mix all this together. I just like to let this, I don't know, heat up for about 5 minutes or so, and then it'll be ready to eat. All right, we're gonna call this done. Shrimp fried rice. Yeah, I made way too much, but I love leftovers. Just got done eating dinner. Got everything cleaned up. Gonna go inside and probably watch a movie and digest some of my food. Sun's starting to set. It's gonna be going over the trees here pretty soon, so it'll be dark probably here in an hour and a half. So probably see you guys in the morning. Hey, good morning everyone. It's a pretty nice day. Sun's out. Still pretty smoky. But we're all cleaned up inside the camper, packed up. We're gonna start making our way off the mountain here. It's supposed to get pretty hot today. I think around 90 or 95, something like that. So I'm gonna try to get out of here before it starts getting too hot. Head back to town. So appreciate you guys watching the video, and we'll see you next time. Take care.